could swear it's been 700 degrees in here. Amen. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind.
Today is 20, of course 2021 anyway, but it's February 14. But guess what? Wala naman akong date kasi wala naman dito jowa ko. Anyway, and today is i-date ko lang yung sarili ko. So, at bago ako umalis, may nag-request sa akin bago ako umalis is mag-bag grade again. So, ito, yung bag ko, i-bag grade ko. So, tara natin ang bag grade bago ako umalis anyway. And, so, hindi pa ako naglagay ng mask kasi, and tara na, ang dami kong subject. Let's go. Anyway, gusto ko alisin kasi hindi naman napakainit anyway. Start. Pouch. So, ang laman ng pouch ko ay here. Yup. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo. And then, here. So, first day na foundation Fit Me. Ayan. Fit Me. And, of course, hindi mawawala ang aking charan. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi siya mawawala. Paano naman makapag-makeup at kaya? So, ayan. Ito muna. Ayan, guys. So, ito. Ay, nako. And of course, here, lip balm. And, I had lip tint. Yep. Lip tint. Yeah. Puro siya lip tint. And then, sa sobrang smart, feeling smart, meron akong lapis. At syempre, hindi makakompleto ang lapis pag walang ruler. And, of course, kasi meron akong eraser. And, eyebrows. So, yun lang ang laman ko dito. So, mamaya na ako mag-aayos yan kasi rushing naman. Okay. So, second is ang dami ka-artihan. Meron akong China Blue Moisturizing Hand and Nail Cream. Yan. And, pang-spray siya after mag-makeup. Pang ganun siya, oh. Pang ganun. Here. Ano pala to? Aloe vera. And of course, kasi may pandemic, I had alcohol. Alcohol, face mask, face mask, and of course, ang ating face shield. So, meron akong wallet. Tingnan natin ang laman. Ang mga laman is puro barya. Gosh. Okay. And may naligaw. May naligaw na 100. Wallet again. So, kung gusto niyo, wala naman akong kapera. And yes, meron akong anyway, pampaswerte daw yun. Pero hindi ako ganong klaseng tao, ha. Pampaswerte daw yun. So, wallet, umbrella, syempre mainit. And school ID, anyway. And bakit nandito pa yung sira ko cellphone? So, what I got is ito rin. Ito, bigay to ng friend ko. Nung first year college ako, bigay niya to sa amin anyway, lima yata kami, binigyan niya kami ng ganito. Kasi nagpapablast sila ng ng apartment, so inimbitahan kami. So binigyan kami tig isang ganito. Ayan. So thanks for you. And oh, I get the scissors. Scissors, of course. And of course, ano pa to? Birth certificate. Kasi, ang plano ko kasi is mag-open ng account. Pero, tinamad akong pumunta. So, yan. So, napakita ko ng school ID. And the pen. Yep, for my hair. So, that's all lang. Kasi ang dumi, yan lang ang laman ng aking bag. Here. So, if you see that, yun lang. So, ayan. May nag-request lang kasi ng bag ko na i-babagrade ko na siya kung ano laman. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys.